Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a really beautiful and easy to crochet, and it is actually a beginner friendly crochet patterns. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm using this medium or number 4 yarn and a 5 mm hook. Okay, so let's start. I will start by making the chainless foundation of half double crochet. So make your slip knot. You chain 2, 1, 2, you yarn over, you skip this one and into the second chain you have 3 loops, yarn over, release 1 loop, yarn over, you have 3 loops, then you release all 3, and that's your half double crochet. This chain 2 count as a first half double crochets. So you yarn over again, see these loops here, 1, 2, then you take your yarn, you have 3 loops, you release 1, you release 3, and here we have 3 half double crochets. And then to continue, you yarn over again through both the loops here, pull out a loop, release 1, release 3, and again yarn over and through both the loops, release 1, you have 3 loops, and you release 3, and just like that you continue to work your half double crochets. And when you get to the size that you want, I will show you how to count. Okay, so when you get to the length that you want your project to be, you count your foundation by 3 plus 1. Okay, it's a multiples of 3, and then at the end of your run you add 1 more. So here I count by 3. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and at the end of my round I add 1 more, so 3 plus 1, and then you chain 2, and this chain 2 is not our stitch. Okay, 1 2, you turn, and in this very same stitch here make half double crochet, half double crochet in the very first stitch, and then for the rest of our round we are going to work half double crochet in this back loop only. So back loop only, not through, back loop only, you make half double crochet, half double crochet, and you make half double crochet back loop only until we have here, and on the first and last stitch we are going to work normal half double crochet. Okay, so continue, and then I will meet you at the end of this round. So here on top of this chain 2 make half double crochet like that, and then you chain 2 again, 1 2, turn, and a normal half double crochet in the very first stitch again, and then we continue to work half double crochet back loop only, and this pattern will look really good for baby blankets, scarves, hats, or cardigans as well. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay, so continue this round, I will see you right here. So because this chain 2 is not our stitch, okay, I will make my last half double crochet right here, in this space here between the chain 2 and the half double crochet. So right there, half double crochet, and then you chain 2 again, you turn, and we work one more round with this stitch, a normal half double crochet, and then we will do half double crochet back loop only for the rest of this row, and I will see you in the next round. So to start our next round, you chain 1, you turn, and this chain 1 also is not our stitch, so you make a single crochet into the very same stitch here, single crochet, and yarn over, and you make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, like that, and you skip 2, skip 1, 2, on the third one single crochet, single crochet, and yarn over, in the same stitch 2 double crochet. Like that, skip 1, 2, on the third one you make single crochet, you yarn over, and 2 double crochets. And we do this, I will see you right here. So when you end your round, you have 2 stitch, you have 3 stitch left, so you have 1, 2, and on this, between this chain 2 and the half double crochet, you make a single crochet, you chain 1, and then we turn, in this very same stitch here, single crochet, and 2 double crochet again, you skip 2, skip 1, 2, and on the third one, which is the single crochet, you make a single crochet, yarn over, and 2 double crochets in the same space, 1, 2, on the third one, yarn over, and 2 double crochets, then you skip 1, 2, on the third one, single crochet, and we continue like this. I will meet you here again. So this is my last shell of this round, then you skip 1, 2, and in between the chain 1 and the single crochet, insert your hook right there and make your single crochet, and we chain 2, 1, 2, and then we are going to continue to work this part again with 4 rounds of half double crochet. So for this first round here, after this, just make a normal half double crochet in every stitch, okay, make a normal half double crochet in every stitch like that until you are here. Make your last half double crochet in this space here, and then you chain 2, and we are going to repeat this again, half double crochet back loop only in these spaces, and we make normal half double crochet only on the first stitch and the last stitch. So half double crochet, then back loop only, half double crochet back loop only again, and you continue this, meet you here again. you turn, and again we do this. So we will have 4 rounds of half double crochet and then 2 rounds of this stitch, 4 rounds of half double crochet and 2 rounds, and that's what we are repeating. Okay, so this is my third round of half double crochet in this pattern here. And when you finish 4 rounds of half double crochet, first one is this, second, and this is the third. So after 4 rounds of half double crochet again, I will meet you one more time. So after 4 rounds of half double crochet, you chain 1 and you make your single crochet in the very first stitch here, and 2 double crochet in the same space. Okay, we are repeating this again. So 1, 2, and then you skip 1, 2, and on the third one single crochet and yarn over in the same stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and on the third one single crochet, 2 double crochet, and then you chain 1, you turn, and in this single crochet space here make a single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same space. Okay, after this you will see that it start to take shape and it looks really pretty. So continue 2 double crochets and then you skip 2 single crochet, 2 double crochets again, skip 1, 2, and single crochet and 2 double crochets, and after you made this you chain 2 and you are going to repeat this again, 4 rounds of half double crochet, 1 round with a normal half double crochet, and 3 rounds like this. Okay, and you repeat this, and when you want to end your project, just end it with 4 rounds of half double crochet again, so it will match your start. Okay, so if you find my video helpful, please consider subscribing, and thank you.